In this question it is given that the angle which a vector I cap plus j cap plus root 2 k cap makes with x, y and z axis respectively. We know that for a question something like this, we need to use a concept of direction cosine. So you might be remembering that in case of direction cosine, we discussed that if we are having a vector which is making some angle with respect to x-axis, that angle we took it as nothing but alpha, and it's making some angle beta with respect to y-axis, and it's making some angle gamma with respect to z-axis, then cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are known as its direction cosine. Then we discuss how to find out the value of cos alpha. Cos alpha is nothing but its x component divided by a, and our vector a vector is nothing but I cap plus j cap plus root 2 k cap. So its x component is 1, y component is 1 and z component is root 2. Along with that we can write its magnitude also. The magnitude of a vector is nothing but under root of x component square, that is 1 plus root 2 square, which is equal to 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, root of 4 is nothing but 2. So its magnitude is nothing but 2, magnitude of a vector. So we can find out the value of cos alpha. Cos alpha is x component divided by a, x component is 1 and a is 2. So we know that if cos alpha is 1 by 2, that means alpha should be equal to 60 degree. Like that we can write the value of cos beta, that is y component divided by a, y component is 1, a is 2. So we can write the value of this beta is going to be nothing but 60 degree. Like that we can find out the value of cos gamma, that is z component divided by a. Z component is root 2 divided by 2, which is 1 by root 2. If cos alpha is 1 by root 2, so we can write the value of cos gamma is nothing but 1 by root 2. That means gamma is equal to nothing but 45 degree.